Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about sawmill tuning on the fiddle. So sawmill tuning is sort of like a cross tuning where basically, say I'll call out the tuning to you, it's G, D, G, D. So it's the same tuning on these two strings as it is on these two, except these are an octave higher. And this is really cool for old-time tunes. And it's really cool for getting a variation in a tune, like a low and a high part, and there's way more that you can also do with it. But I'll just demonstrate, like say if you do like a scale, right, like I'll just do a major scale on the low two strings, and then I'll do the same finger pattern on the high two strings, and you get the same scale an octave higher. And then the same starting on this second string. So that means if you're playing like a simple tune, you can repeat the melody in a low part and in a high part. So I'm just going to do an improvised melody, and then you can see what I mean. And then on the high part. So that's what's so cool about the sawmill tuning.